Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Lecture number 6, Chapter 13, Electrostatic. And the topic today we will discuss in this lecture is electric field. So first of all, what is electric field? Actually, electric field is a space, gap around any source charge where its effect can be felt on any other test charge is called electric field. Now we will explain the definition. Let's suppose this is a positive charge, positive source charge, and the field around this positive source charge is up to B in all direction, not only in right side, on the right side, but at 360-degree angle, which is called visual representation. But for simplicity, we represented a single electric field line that emitted from positive source charge and its strength is up to B. There is another test charge plus Q naught. Test charge plus Q naught, which is at point A. And this point A is outside this field. There will be no force on this test charge due to this source charge. But if we bring this test charge towards the source charge, then this source charge will exert force on the test charge. Here a question arises, why source charge will apply force on the test charge? Because both the charges are positive. Both the charges will create electric field around them like this. But the field of test charge is less, weaker because of its magnitude, and the field of the source charge is stronger because of larger magnitude. So when these two fields interact, as a result, both of them will apply force on each other according to the Coulomb's law. But the force felt on the test charge will be more as compared to the source charge because its magnitude is very large. So this force which a source charge applied on a test charge when enter into the space where its field exists is called electric field. This space around any source charge is called electric field. Electric field is a vector physical quantity. Electric field is a vector physical quantity. Now we will elaborate some points that the test charge in electric field intensity will be always positive. The field around charge is represented by a lines which are just for the visual representation, not real. It means that everywhere we represent electric field by lines, but actually the field is not in the form of lines. It is continuous all around. We just present it for the visual representation for our simplicity. The second one, the field lines always emitted from the positive charge and enter to the negative charge, any emerging from positive and terminating everywhere on the negative charge. Now these field lines which are emitted from a positive source charge are entering to the negative charge. Their entering and leaving always make 90-degree angle with the surface of the charge, means perpendicular. Now we will discuss some Characteristics of these field lines. Electric field lines touching the charge surface at right angle, it is. Second one, field lines never intersect each other, means that the field line, one field line is for example like this, then second field line can never exist like this. This is called intersection. So there is no intersection occurring in the electric field lines. Now the second one is that the field lines are closed together when the charges are opposite, positive and negative, and the field lines are far away from each other when the charges are same. And in such a case there is always a gap created. Why? Because this charge applied force in this direction, this charge applied force in this direction, so both the charges will minimize their force and will move in this direction as shown in the figure. So here a gap created where no electric field exists, and this is called null point. Thank you. If you have any point, any question, ask the question on WhatsApp group. Thank you.